Okay, so I'm seriously hoping this is gonna start working. So I've got these. I'm gonna just make sure this is recording too. Yeah. Okay. Anyways, so I've got these packs, which I thought I was supposed to have. Explore inventory. Okay. So earn packs. Okay. Temple. Yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get this moving. Okay. Okay, so now we just gotta wait for a little while for this to. Just gotta wait a little while for this to. I don't know why these stay up here like this. And just go over back sure, make sure that it's still recording and stuff. Normally I have a webcam. I'm just kind of sick right now, so it's probably apparent in my voice, but anyways, this, what you're looking at right now, in today's dollars, is around $500. So I'm gonna be really annoyed if I don't get another mythic card. No, I don't have a mythic card. I probably wouldn't be making a video if I had a mythic card, because I would just be like, oh my gosh, I need to get rid of this and transfer all my money over to Coinbase. No. No, but anyways, so yeah, so this is, I mean, my rarest card is Annoying Combatant. Um, I just, it's cool. Like, this person looks kind of like someone that you would like to have on your team and not really know, like, the rest of the time, just because they look sort of like a frat guy, basically. But, like, that's kind of the person you want on your team, so. Well, I mean, in this game at least, so. Explore. Yeah, I've played a number of these games here already. Home, inventory. Can I open yet? No. Yeah, so this is just, looks like it's gonna be a bit of waiting. Go back over here. Super annoying that you can't trade these cards. But I mean, I guess they have to do it like that, or it would just be really, I don't know. I feel like they can, I think they had something on the website that they might allow these to be sold eventually. But I think they're probably just worried that that's going to make the value of these Genesis cards go down quite a bit. Let's see, what do we got in the workshop? Again, I do apologize for sounding congested here. What is a legendary pack? just like super curious how this is gonna work. Temple. Inventory. And I've also found that frontline is quite a good thing to have for a card. Or does it say, oh yeah, what makes a great deck? It was funny, they had one of these, I think it was the other mythic card, but this dude, like, who had like a family, was like buying God Unchained cards, and like, and then like he was like, oh my gosh, I got a mythic card, and I was just like, wow, that guy will probably never stop hearing about that for the rest of his life. But yeah, that was pretty funny in a kind of not funny way, but yeah. Let's see. Limited edition sealed Genesis packs. Interesting. Oh no, this page does not exist. Tradable packs, upgraded contracts. How long does one of these callbacks take? Holy moly. Okay. Oh, see, since it's the Ethereum network, they're probably waiting for like 40 block confirmations, which is ridiculous. But, I mean, I guess that's how Ethereum does stuff. But, vote for features in the game. Interesting. Genesis rewards. What? Hmm. Really? That is just honestly taking too long. Trader. Yeah, so thank you to anyone who is still hanging out here with me. I don't know if anyone's still watching this, but I'm just kind of chilling here waiting for the Ethereum blockchain to hurry up and confirm these stupid card packs. Oh yay, it looks like the temple. Yay. Ooh, awesome. I head back over here to the game client. Temple. Okay. Clear catch. Good. Oh, come on. Oh, you know, I bet you can't open these stupid things inside the actual game. You've got to open it inside the, I bet I have to open them in Google Chrome. Is that it, maybe? Well, anyways, I'm gonna make these things kind of go away. What is this here? Deathsworn Raider. I feel like that's garbage, but I don't remember. What is this? Well of Power. I think that's garbage too, but I'm not certain. Primal Guide, that's definitely garbage. If I recall, I think that this is one of the ones that's like 0.1 Ethereum, but I'm not certain. Odin's White Raven? I have no idea what that is. Okay. Flying carpet? What? That's ridiculous. Dimension Door, I think that's garbage. Portal Wrangler, garbage. Salvaged Sentinel? I don't know if I've seen that one before. Lara Croft, Lara Grimm, Spell Thief, whatever. Mystic, that's... And this is my rare pack, I guess. Dreaded Queen Persephone, or Persephone. Interesting. Now that is a garbage card. That's kind of garbage. Puzzle box. 0.05 Ethereum. Garbage. Okay. Horus the Protector. At the end of each turn, another friendly creature with the highest health becomes protected. I haven't seen it before. Faraday Cage. Haven't seen that before. Pocket? Shit, that is garbage. Holy moly. Nethergram? Summons 3 random creatures that cost 3 mana or less from your void. Give them +1+. That's, interesting. Nemesis Guardian frontline. After a random friendly Anubium becomes protected, get +1/+1. If I recall, I think that's actually 0.3 Ether. 0.3 Ethereum. It's not very much, but still, it's pretty good. Dwarven Smith. That doesn't look terribly good, but it's got a purple glow around it, so I mean, it's gotta be something. Now that is garbage. Interesting, another one of these. Maybe I was wrong. Mana Thief? avatar of nature? I feel like that looks like it's garbage, but it might not be, because it's got the gold things right here. Huh. I'm gonna be really curious what the value of all this stuff is. Tooten common? At the end of each turn, summon a 1/1 skeleton with Solace for every friendly creature and put into your void that turn. Put every friendly creature put into your void that turn. I feel like that's garbage, but at the same time, due to the fact that it's got the golds right here, and also it's got a famous person with a cool looking picture, I feel like it's gonna be, oh, and it's 1 out of 2533. I feel like it's gonna be like 0.000, no wait, 0.001 Ethereum, but hopefully more. Honestly, that looks like garbage because it's so much mana. Garbage. Garbage. At the end of your turn, destroy all creatures. That's interesting. That might be worth like 0.05 Ethereum. That's my guess. What? That's the rarest card? What? Confirm. I don't think it's gonna let me buy more. Yay. No, yeah, but any flying carpet, how is that the rarest? Flying carpet? It's 1 mana, but still. That doesn't make any sense. Inventory. Explore inventory. Okay, well, flying carpet. Interesting. Well, that was certainly an interesting little experience there. If any of you are still sticking around, please do make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm trying to get it going again. And I will see you all back in my next video. Thanks for watching.